It's tasty. More flavor. I like it. It's chewy. Ugh, why it's so hard to bite? Ugh, tastes horrible. I think number 4 is spy. I know, right? He said tastes horrible. Yeah, I heard that too. And yeah, he's the spy, I guess. Okay, let's vote number 4. Number 4 is a spy.
The room is full. Please get ready.
Hayop. Hayop. Sige, last naman itong yung round. Sige na nga.